seeds starting in recyclable containers. So I just want to give you guys an idea of what you can do, what you can use to start seeds if you don't have containers. You can use a container like this and fill it with seed starter mix, and you plant your seeds inside. I planted some seeds in here so a couple of days ago. You can also use aluminum trays like these. Use aluminum trays. You just have to rinse the aluminum trays that you have that is being used. Rinse it up, then just make a couple of holes at the bottom or towards the bottom of the trays. You can use a jug, like an oil container or a plastic container like this, and you just cut up the top and make sure you have some holes. Make a couple of holes at the bottom, and you can just fill it up with seed starter mix and you plant your seeds in there. You can use regular trays, garden trays that you buy your garden seedlings from, and you can use the trays like this to plant your start your seeds. You can also use a milk jug like that. Do the same thing. Cut the top, fill it with seed starter mix, put a couple of holes at the bottom, and you have your seed starting container. So those are some of the things that I'm using to start seeds. You can also use any other container that you have. The main thing is make sure that it has drainage, and fill it up with seed starter mix. I have a video on how you make your own seed starter mix, cheap seed starter mix, good quality cheap seed starter mix, so check out my videos. Same thing here, just cut the top of the container, make a couple of holes, and plant my seed inside. Like I have another video on using plastic bottles for greenhouse, so you can also use plastic containers like that. Same here, using this little Poland Spring water bottle. Just make a couple of holes at the bottom. You can start your seeds in there like that. So I also use container like this, and just plant one or two to start the seeds in there, and just let it grow in there. Yogurt container, just make a couple of holes at the bottom, and you have a seed starting container right there. Like I said, trays, you can use the trays that you get when you buy plants from your garden center. You can also use like doing the same thing over here, trays, and just fill it with soil, and fill it with your seed starter mix and plant your. Same thing over here, plastic aluminum foil, just do the same thing, fill it up. Same over here, same over there. Use any container. You can definitely use recycled containers. Main thing is make sure you have holes at the bottom or towards the bottom for drainage. So just fill in with seed starter mix, and you can start your seeds in containers like that. Same with these over here. See, I bought this some plants with this, and I just decided to use a container to start some pumpkins in there. So you can definitely see that you can use a lot of you can recycle a lot of containers to start your seeds or to grow your plants. So you also see this here. This is just a just a takeout tray, and you put your seed starter mix in there and you plant. So okay, Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more updates and more gardening tips and ideas. A lot more coming up the next couple of weeks and months, so please subscribe. Don't forget to share with friends, family, co-workers. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day.